How to set up a new Apple ID online easily. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple guide on how to create a new Apple ID online using your iPhone or any iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta click on Safari or any of the search browser you have on your phone. And here you gotta type account.apple.com and press go. So once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface that will look something like this in front of you. And then you gotta click on this arrow over here, and then you gotta click on sign in. Now, if you have an Apple account, you can just, sign in over here. However, if you wish to create a new account, you gotta click on this arrow, and then you gotta click on create your Apple account. And once you do so, you will be redirected to a form which you have to fill. So you're going to type down your first name over here, your last name over here, select your country and region over here, and then you can type down your day, month, year. So this information is used to determine the services available for your account, because if you're a minor, then some of the services won't be available for you. And here you're going to type down your email, your password 2 times, and your number over here. You can just select your country option, your phone number, and specify how you wish to verify the account via text message or phone call. And then you're going to type down these characters in order to give the proof that you're not any bot. And then you can click on continue. So that is basically how you can set up a new Apple ID online easily. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.